YouTube channel. Ano ba to? Ang sarap, balita, ang sarap daw nito. Ano ba yan?
Yan, ate, ito pala yung mga baked goodies namin from Inloaf with you.
How did you come up with this business? Who inspires you?
Yeah, actually, this is a quarantine-inspired venture.
Because it's
But
COVID na.
yung baking, hobby ko na talaga. Pinaka-inspiration ng business, kaya doon din natin nakuha yung name ng Inloaf with you. Is our main product natin is banana loaf. So sa banana loaf namin, we have 5 variants. First is yung naked banana loaf. Walang anything. It's the classic banana loaf. Then one is banana nut.
Banana. Why
Yes.
banana?
There is walnuts on the top. This is our signature banana loaf variants. It's the banana crunch loaf. So we have the walnut, sweet walnut streusel on the top. That makes it crunchy on every bite.
Oh my god, I'm really excited to taste all of this.
And they also have ube cheese craze.
We have here the chunky monkey, one of our variants sa banana loaf. It's full of nuts and chocolate chips sa ibabaw. Then you will have a chunk on every bite.
Wow, I'm really excited to taste it.
Tapos meron din tayong Fudgy brownies and chewy crinkles. So first
So
muna
ito?
tayo sa pinaka-issue sa menu natin sa Inloaf with you.
Wow. I think I'll be in love with you.
So our Fudgy brownies.
Wow!
So nice.
Can I try? Can I?
Yes, ate.
So this is...
Fudgy brownies. Sa ano pa lang, parang sarap-sarap ng... Okay, try na natin?
Yes, ate.
Wow, kanina to. Para tuloy ako naagad. Sige ah.
This is
Wow!
our chewy crinkles.
Chewy crinkles.
Na kaya magpa-open.
Chewy crinkles. Ang sarap.
Yes,
Di ba ako tataba nito, Micah? I think I'm already fat.
It's worth every calories, ate.
So excited.
So, itong chewy crinkles, yung first na ginawa naming recipe, so may mga comments na medyo matamis daw. So,
Okay.
nag-trial and error ulit ako dito sa crinkles hanggang makuha ko na yung tamang lasa.
Sige, parang excited ako.
So, part na siya ng bestseller namin.
wow! Okay, I'm very excited. Let's try.
Chewy talaga.
Yeah, it's very chewy. Yeah, it's not so sweet. It's okay. It's very good. I love it. What is Micah? What is this?
So, this is our main product. Ako, maraming bago dito.
Wow! This is what? So this is the chunky monkey. It's very delicious. See? Let us... See?
Also, these are kisses? What?
Chocolate chips.
Chocolate
and
chips.
walnuts as
So I will try. Can I try a little? Little. Very good. It's very delicious.
Yeah, so usually yung size namin dito sa banana loaf, it's good for sharing for family, friends. Pero you can have it all. We do it.
How did you come up with this? Why green? The logo of your
Actually, we're still working on the branding of our products. So, we just did a simple logo for our business. So, yung green yung choose namin kasi it's the classic color.
Why in love with you?
So,
Are you in love now? Right now?
Yes. So, in love with you, kasi before we start this venture, yung main product na talagang nasa mind natin is loaf. Different kind of loaf. So, gusto kong something catchy to the customers. Like, mapapaisip sila, ano kaya yan? Or something.
Even me, parang
Yeah.
nakapaisip ako.
So, bali pinag-combine ko yung loaf dun sa normal na word na love. So, I come up with the inloaf with you because you will fall in love with all our products.
Wow! How much is this?
Okay.
Chunky monkey.
So, for the chunky monkey, you can have it for as low
For
as
free?
25 dirhams for the whole loaf. Then for the naked banana loaf, it's only 15. Then for other variants, 20 dirhams. For the fudgy brownies, 6 pieces per box, 20 dirhams. For the crinkles, you can choose 6 pieces or 10 pieces for only 15 dirhams.
Oh, it's really good. And it's affordable.
Yes.
And now, do you deliver?
We only have a social media account, so you can follow us on Instagram at inloafwithyou.
Okay. Right here, huh?
Like
Right
us
down.
on Facebook, inloafwithyou. You can send us your orders through message, and we can arrange the delivery or venture is a one-woman team.
Oh.
Yeah, from sourcing of materials to baking, packaging, meet up and delivery, plus the customer service. I'm doing everything, but of course, I cannot do it without the support of my family and friends, and of course my
Wow!
habibi.
I'm so proud of you, friend.
And I would like to say hi to my high school friends, Samahan, and to Dr. Karen Guadalupe. Thanks for the free checkup. And to the one who loves mathematics, Renny Rose Leong. Karen, BTS lover, hi. Shout out to our sexy nurse, Jaylene. And of course, to Team Diosa. Thank you so much.
Guys, thank you for watching. I hope you will order this banana chunky monkey. It's very delicious. And the crinkles,
Fudgy brownies.
Thank you. Bye-bye. See you next time.